Okay. Oh God, when do I actually make it? I made it recently. Oh, this is so out of my range. Okay, cool. Hello, I'm Mrs. Ema Hickey. I work as the Deputy Principal Pastoral Care here at the college. I'm next up in the cooking video. Thank you very much to Mrs. Bergio for nominating me. And this afternoon I'm going to cook a Thai seafood stir fry. First you're going to have prawns, scallops, fish pieces cut into bite-sized, calamari or squid rings, and fresh mussels. And for veg, red capsicum, spring onion, coriander, basil. Today I've got Thai basil, small red chilies, and for sauce, just oyster sauce and fish sauce, and whatever rice suits you. First up, I'm going to just dice up the garlic. I'm going to place that straight into the wok. So next up, I'm going to chop up our chilies. So this is a Hickey family favourite. Geraldine, my mum, we used to request growing up as a bit of a birthday meal. Shout out to Geraldine for her recipe. So I'm going to add the chili to the pan with the garlic. We're chopping the coriander. It's going to go straight into the pan with the garlic and the chili. So I'm just going to prep some of the vegetables so we're ready to go. My favourite time to make this is just to continue the tradition of the Hickey family, and we normally make it when we're celebrating in groups and with family over. The next up is just prepping the spring onions. Alright, time to start cooking, which is the fun part. Okay, we're going to grab some olive oil. Straight into the pan, just a little dash, which is your garlic, chili and coriander. Now if I can work out how to turn this thing on, we'll be up and ready to go on the home stretch. And we can't turn the gas on.
5 minutes later.
Now we're going to turn the stove on and get to cooking. Now we're just going to quickly, while that's kind of heating up, we'll chop the basil. Just give this one a little bit of a stir. It won't need long, a minute. All right, I don't want my garlic to burn, so I'm going to get all my seafood in. The only thing I don't add at this point is the mussels. Up next is Emma goes home and does marking. Okay, so it's been about a minute, and I'm going to put my capsicum, spring onion and basil in the pan as well. I don't want my seafood to obviously overcook, and I'm going to add the sauces as well. So we'll tip everything in. I'll do my sauces. So it should be 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. There we go, that'll do. And then it's also 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Give this a bit of a stir. Before we forget, we're just going to add our mussels at the very end and give them a couple of minutes to open up. So we're about, I reckon, 30 seconds, a minute off. All right, we might prep the rice. Rice in a bag because we're stuck for time. All right, so that's everything. And now it's time to plate up. There we have it. That's my seafood stir fry. I hope you enjoy it, and certainly a shout out again to my mum for the recipe, and very happily I nominate Mrs. Bowler to be next up. Oh my God, smashed it.